So this is Pulsar's flagship model. This is the Trail 2 LRF XP50 thermal rifle scope. This particular one has a built-in laser rangefinder on the side. Spec-wise, you've got a Trail 2 LRF XQ50 or a Trail 2 LRF XP50. The difference between the two, the XQ is a 384-288 17 micron sensor, and on the XP50 it's a 640-480, again 17 micron sensor. So the XP will give you a better overall picture. However, the differences between the two, the XP50 will have a better field of view because the base mag starts at 2 times and will go up to 16 times mag, where the XQ is a 3.5 times mag and goes up to 14 times mag. What I personally like about the Trail, most people are familiar with the Helions. The button configuration is exactly the same. So if you've already got a Helion and you're familiar with how all the buttons work, the menu works, then it's basically the same on the Trail. In terms of the functions on this device, you've got your main focus on the top, you've got your menu button in the middle, you've got your arrows, so once you're in the menu, just to navigate it, you just tap up or tap down. You've got inbuilt recording, like on all the other models, that's 16 gigs, so plenty of photos or videos that you're able to capture. To take the footage off, you can either connect it to Stream Vision or you've got a USB port on the side. All the Trails come with a weaver mount. You can opt to go for a quick release mount such as the inner mounts. So if you're wanting to swap and change it between rifles, you can do so with that mounting system. On this unit, and to be fair on the Thermions and everything else, what you've got is 3 different profiles, so A, B and C. And within each profile, you've actually got 5 other 0 profiles. So for example, if you're wanting to swap and change it between rifles, for example, this is a 243, that can be set on profile A. You can then swap it to profile B if you then want to put it on a 223, for example. Or ultimately, if you're using the same rifle but you're using different grain bullets, so if you're going from a 45 grain, for example, and then you decide to change to a 100 grain, obviously your trajectory and point of impact is going to be different. So by having various different 0 profiles, that's possible to do. Battery-wise, they work off an IPS7. Runtime, you're normally going to get sort of 7 to 8 hours. Obviously that depends on conditions, because some nights, especially if it's a cold night, the battery won't last as long. So in summary, this is the Trail 2 LRF XP50 thermal rifle scope with a suggested retail price of $4,879.95.